So we're gathered up now, and what you want to do is you want to turn your bodice inside out, like so, and you're going to find the front. There we go. Okay, that's the front. So what we want to do is flip it. Oh, is that the front though? It's very confusing. Bear with me 1 second. So the idea is that the split is on the right and the shoulder is on the left to give it a nice balanced look. So we need it to join like that. So this bit goes to there. Okay, I'll keep my hand on it. Right, fabulous. So it's got to be like that. Okay. So here's the shoulder at the lowest part. And what we're going to do is you're going to gather up your skirt at the loose end at the bottom and push it through your bodice all the way through like that. Now remembering that the split goes on the outside right third, we're going to put that, make sure I've got my satin. I didn't have my satin. We're going to pop that there, okay, and just give it a pin. Now I would pin that way because you're going to sew in this direction, and all we're going to do is matching our satin and our lining all the way round to the gathered edge of the skirt. Pinning as we go. Now it's here you can adjust any gathers. So we haven't sewn off that gather yet, so there's some room for manoeuvrement. So you see, I'm going to need to gather up a heck of a lot more to fit there. So I can, which is great. I'll do it from this side. So you can see it getting shorter already. Take some from this side. Better to do it from the side that you have not pinned, really. Just make sure that your gathers are evened up before you stitch. I'm happy with that. So the rest of my pins are going in to hold my bodice to my skirt. And then all we're going to do is pop that in the machine and stitch around this opening. I'm going to have to do mine upside down because I'm in a flatbed machine. Keep saying that, don't I? But it's true. My gathers are not very even over here. So what I might do is just pop that pin out, shuffle some along. Yeah, that's a bit better, isn't it? Lovely. Right. Under the machine then. Swap to a straight stitch. And then we're going to go all the way round. Notice I'm keeping my work to the left of the yarn. It means you won't be able to see my purple yarn when I've actually completed and undone the yarn when I finish gathering. I'm just holding it out of the way. Putting all of those gathers in. Always stop with your needle down. When we're at the end, I think I just hit a pin. Did I? No. Almost. Right, so the idea now is I'm going to take out all of these pins, and what I want you to do is have a tidy up. So what we need to do is remove a lot of this bulk from here. So I am going to get my pinking shears, and if it's not too thick, I'm going to finish the seams this way, because this is probably an occasional decoration for Christmas. I'm not sure that you'd want to play with it all year round, but you might, in which case overlock it or zigzag the edges. So we're taking all of that out around there. It is getting a bit thick actually. And then you can remove your yarn from your gathering. Look how easily that came out. Isn't that brilliant? I promise you, you'll never gather another way. And then all we're going to do is turn ourselves the right way up. Oh, look, bless. Brilliant. So there we have it. Brilliantly gathered all the way around. Nice asymmetric shoulder. Nice flat pleat in the front. Could have moved my gathering round a bit more to the front, but that's okay. And there we go. I've still got the pen mark from the beginning on. Maybe a nice corsage over that. So that's how to complete Betty's Angel. Hope you enjoyed it. And I think the next video is going to be doing the wings.